Hi everyone, welcome to the next section of this lesson. In this lesson we're going to look at how to switch between targets using the bootloader menu. In one of the previous videos we looked at how to switch between targets in an operational environment where we used the init command to switch from one target to the other. Alright, so you should know that the switching of targets can be done in two ways. One is to do that from the operational mode, which we have done before, just like I've said, and the other one is to do that from the boot menu. Alright, so let's see how to do this from the boot menu. When the system is powered on, alright, and when the bootloader is initiated, on the kernel line you want to boot with, you press the E key. So for example, if you have many kernels, you can just scroll to the kernel line you want to boot with, and you press the E key, which means edit. Alright, and then you scroll down to the line Linux here, and at the end of the line you add the parameters. We had the systemd parameter, so here we write systemd.unit, okay, equals to, so if you want to change to the rescue.target, you put the rescue.target. If you want to change to the emergency mode, you put the emergency.target. And if you want to change to the multi-user mode, for example, you put multi-user.target. So in this case, I want to change to the rescue mode, alright, or the rescue target. So I'm just going to add the value rescue.target. So when you're done, you can press Ctrl X to boot the system into the set mode. Alright, so I'm just going to press Ctrl X, and then the system will boot into the mode we've set it to. So let's wait while the system boots. So now we can give the root password. So you can see that here it's saying we are in rescue mode. Okay, if you look at my cursor, my cursor is not really functioning on this console, alright. But you can see that you're in rescue mode. Then after logging in, type blah 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 and all of that. So let's give the root password, okay. You see now that I'm in, and so anything that I want to do, I can begin to do it in this mode, alright. And to exit from this mode, I'm just going to, that is to leave this mode and go back to the normal mode, I'm just going to type the command exit, and you can see that it's going to start with the default target, alright. So the system is booting now to start with the default target, with the default run target, alright. So this is how you can change the run target of a Linux system using the Linux the bootloader menu. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.